Hey guys, Miata Man here. Today we've got a Mazda Protege 5 here with a very cloudy plastic headlight, and we're going to use the Novus number 2 and the Novus number 3 plastic polish to restore it. So here we go. I'm going to start with the number 3 and I'm going to give it a really good shake. You got to shake it really well because you don't use it very often sometimes and it just gets all on the bottom. So put a little bit on an old sock. Just about that much to start with. And then rub it in. Now this is going to take you a little bit of effort. You're going to have to lean on it a little bit. But I can see right now already it's starting to eat away at some of that cloudiness and oxidization on the plastic. Now this one's pretty far gone, so no matter what, we're going to get a pretty good result at the end of this. Now you got to push on it a little bit to generate some heat. And you can see already it's starting to polish up that top layer, removing some of the damage that's on the headlight lens. And this works for pretty much any headlight. Any of these plastic headlights, this stuff will work really well on, especially your Mazda Miata headlights from 1999 all the way on to the present day Miatas as well. There we are. Yeah, it's already a whole lot better. The other really good thing about this stuff is you don't need any power tools or anything like that. Although if you want to, you can put this on a buffer pad and do it that way. But I like this way better because it's safe. You're not going to go over and cut into the paint or burn anything up when you're doing it by hand. And as you can tell, I'm pushing on it, with a fair bit of pressure. And it's acting like an eraser, just taking off that top layer. This will also work on Mazda 3s, Mazda 5s, all the Proteges, and as I mentioned before, the Mazda Miata headlights as well, and pretty well any plastic headlight assembly that's got these lenses that get cloudy and oxidized. So there we are. So that's the number 3 polish that we've used there. I'm gonna get this last little bit of stuff in the corner here. And now I'm going to switch over to the number 2, which is the less abrasive polish, but it tends to work amazingly. So we'll give it a good shake. Then we'll put some on. What you want to do is just sort of put a decent amount on here and then just rub it all over the whole headlight lens to start with. And once you've got it nicely covered, then you can start to apply some pressure, work it in, and when it starts to get warm, that's when it really starts to do its job. It starts to activate. There we go. So that there is, you know, a quick job with it. You know, I could spend a lot more time and make it even better than it is, but the difference is night and day already, just from spending, you know, a few minutes on it. And the visibility at night will be amazing. So there you go. So what you want is Novus number 2, Novus number 3 in some cases. Most of the time, this is the only one you need. You just have to work at it and spend the time and really work it. So there you go. That's how you restore your headlight lenses, using no tools, just a bit of elbow grease, some Novus number 2 plastic polish, the number 3 for extreme cases first, and then you're back to being able to see where you're going at night. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll make more videos soon. Thanks.